Alright, we are live now. Hi there everyone. I got really good response yesterday with my morning walk talks. So I'm here with a new video, and I was researching, and something really good happened yesterday. I recently started an e-commerce store on August 1, and by 21st of August we were completely stocked out, which is a good problem to have. Uh, being in e-commerce, you are stocking out, but then again, it's a problem to have, right? I'm out of stock right now, and this is something interesting that I've observed during this entire 21 days. You know, people say Facebook ads are not working. They say Instagram ads are not working. Social media, iOS updates, whatever. But I did not feel as such. You know, Facebook is still behaving like a good boy, although you might still experience banning of accounts, restriction of accounts if you are a new account holder. But I think people with older accounts, they will always have uh, you know good performance from Facebook. New account holders, I guess it needs a little bit of maturity, some smaller ads to run so that the account gets warmed up. That is something that you can even look at. Now the interesting thing that happened a couple of days back, that when I started in the first week of August, what we saw was zero sales, absolutely. So I was in that phase where every beginner was like, oh yaar, Facebook ads काम नहीं करता. You know, I was in that frustration phase, and I kind of hated that. Oh god, I invested so much, I bought inventory, and these ads are not working. But whenever you are in chaos, you also need some order in life, right? So I kind of understood that uh, it's just 7 days, right? Whenever you're building a brand, you're looking at years, not 7 days. So it might not work today, it might not work tomorrow, but I kind of realized that it will definitely work within a couple of months if it's not a couple of days. So I asked my team member who took care of my performance marketing to keep on running the ads, to keep on testing. Something interesting happened within the first week of August. Okay, you see this? I love this view. There's some construction going on, which right now it's ugly, but I guess they'll be building a good, beautiful house. We have beautiful Haryali here in the village. In any case, so an interesting thing happened within the first week of August. Let me tell you about that. What I've seen is many dropshippers, many e-commerce people, when they start, they don't focus a lot on branding. So not just branding, they don't focus on publishing organic content, helpful content. Okay, and I think that's the biggest reason why these ads are not working. So what happened with me was, when I was starting out the first week, we did not get any sales. I realized that people are entering into our Facebook profiles, Instagram profiles, to check out how legit the company is, because they are actually spending money on it. That makes sense, right? But what we did was, I went to Fiverr, hired a freelancer, asked him to create a bunch of graphics for me, and he created, and I started uploading those graphics, like 10 graphics a day. So when I had like 30-40 posts uploaded on Instagram, I saw a big spike on sales. Same thing. Then I ran a Facebook like ad, which is like insanely cheap. Literally, you can get one like for 1 rupee in Facebook. I ran a Facebook like ads where I got a bunch of likes, so that added some social credibility. On top of it, Instagram I kept on posting. So what happened, what I realized, that people were actually coming into our profiles, they were checking us out, and they were like, after that they took the buying decision, like whether we should go ahead and buy this product or not, which is crazy, kind of crazy, right? You don't, nobody talks about these things. And this is why organic uh, organic posting or whatever is really, really important. you know Although the means of it can be completely transactional, because ultimately we are not in the business of selling products, we're in the business of selling trust. the better you sell the trust, the better you will sell the product. Now, another important thing that I would say happened within the last 21 days was the Reels ad. Oh my god, you need to look at Reels ads. They are so amazing. So, okay, so all this stock out thing happened because of Reels ad. We created a bunch of Reels and started promoting them with call to action that go visit our website. So people visited our website, and anyways, in e-commerce most of the time we think about talk about the impulse purchases, and what can be better impulse purchase than Reels running out, right? Which is like good. So we did that. We ran some Reels ads, and we got pretty good results, and we were stocked out in a couple of days, in only 20 days I guess, which is a good thing to have. And we sold around 1.5 lakh this month. I personally expected to sell this much amount of stock in 2 months, because I was starting out. I did not have much expectations from the store, but I did not know that this is going to work so well. And I have a profit margin of solid almost 40 to 50%, which is not bad when it comes to e-commerce, right? And next phases of growth is like, I wanna private label this stuff, put my own logo on it, put my own branding on it, so that I can increase the price a little bit, because that brand value is always there. And I'm trying to sell on Amazon. That's where the kick will come, the biggest sales force will come from Amazon itself. And although there will be a lot of competitors in Amazon, but I think we can manage that, with a good quality product. Let's see. It's a risk worth taking. It will take a little bit of investment, I guess. It will take around 2 to 3 lakh rupees of investment, because none of the manufacturer will ever do private labeling without you purchasing at least good amount of stock. We reached almost the township area. You'll see a bunch of banks and stuff coming up now. Yeah, so that's what is the plan is. We will be private labeling in the future months, start selling in Amazon, Flipkart, even if you're selling in Shiprocket. By the way, this is all Indian e-commerce, I forgot to tell. I don't do international drop shipping. I don't do drop shipping at all. This is completely e-commerce. I purchased some inventory, kept it. So now what we are planning to do is, we are planning to get some 1,000 inventory into the pocket, 1,000 pieces of the product. Earlier we bought some 150 just to test out, and we are like stocked out of it. And once this 1,000 pieces come, we'll see how we can take it forward. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. This was a great journey, great experiment for the first month. Gotten pretty good results, and I hope to see better results in the future. So if you like this video, go ahead and like, share, subscribe, whatever these people say. And I like making videos while I'm morning walking, because I'm high on energy right now, and after this I'll get busy with work and stuff like that. And that's pretty much it. Let me know, okay? That's pretty much it. And let me know. We are in the township place, slowly coming into township. Yes, like, share, subscribe. Definitely subscribe, whether you like, share, comment or not. And this is pretty raw video. I just took out my camera and started recording. So I hope you don't mind vlogs, right? I think people like vlogs. Good. So see you guys. Bye bye.